So what we're going to do today is we're going to go out on the Bay of Green Bay. We're going to jig for these walleyes. And there's two ways you can really do this. One is the more traditional way, which is just a snap jigging. So you're going to make a long cast. Make sure before I start that I've made contact with bottom. So the traditional way is snap, reel up the slack, and then let it hit again. It's imperative again that you make contact with the bottom. I firmly believe this is what creates the strike. Now, the other way is something that I use for my clients because I've only got 6 hours a lot of times for them to figure it out. They don't get a chance to fish all the time like me or Keith. And so what I'm doing now is I just turn the handle and I'm accomplishing the same thing. So you can do it one of two ways. One is traditional style, and number two is by just turning the handle. So that's my tip for you when you come out here and jig the Bay of Green Bay.
Oh, great.
I wasn't coming off, that's for sure.
That is the one thing, when they're eating that little hair jig, they love the thing.
Oh man.
Who knows why, but
One of my favorite ways.
Look at the different markings on here. Look at he's got 2 black spots there.
Yeah.
He's got a real dark spot. It's like
little
birthmarks or something like that.
It's brindled up too. You can see the real nice color in this fish again.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. the little became big. Very nice. Yeah, that's a nice fish there. Old spotted, the spotted walleye.